Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word agonizes. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She agonizes over whether or not to quit her job and pursue her passion for painting full-time. Agonizes in this sentence means to suffer intense physical or mental pain or torment due to uncertainty or indecision about a significant decision. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.